बैक साइड में एकदम साफ। यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
Karishma, to your left.
Neha Agarwal here. Neha, would you like to say a few words about your collection?
Yeah, the mic. Hold it. The Spring Summer 2015 collection is a Russian inspired collection, and it talks about the Russian culture. What I've totally been inspired from the Russian culture is the bright colors, the geometric prints, the babushka dolls, and the floral prints which I have incorporated. The highlight of the collection is also the use of denim which we have done, and the denims that we've done is we've used a bamboo denim. We've created a bamboo denim, and which is highly embroidered, and so this collection totally is like is a perfect fit for a summer collection, which is totally inspired by the Russian culture.
Tell us a little about your muse today.
Well, I had nobody else in my mind other than Karishma when I thought of having a showstopper for my collection, and I am more than delighted and happy that she's agreed to be my showstopper. I don't think anybody else could have done justice to my garment other than her. I mean, she is a perfect fit for a Russian doll for me.
Karishma to say a few words before we leave.
No, thank you, Neha. I think that's a wonderful compliment.
Yeah.
And of course, it was a pleasure to walk for Neha today. And like she said, the colors are so beautiful and vibrant, and a lot of intricate work. And I think like what I'm wearing at the same time, it's so vibrant but very ethereal also. And very trendy, young, even though it's inspired from something which is very old and traditional. Which is a great blend, which is something that I think suits me.
Absolutely.
And I must tell you an interesting story that, you said the babushka dolls.
Yeah.
I remember, my grandfather and my father, when they used to go to Russia, they used to get them, and like I've given them to my children as well.
Yeah.
So I think it's quite an interesting thing for them to note also.
Absolutely.
And what are the fabrics you've created?
Like I said, we've used a lot of denims, and I've used a lot of silk. I've used malmal, and basically, silks and denims and mal.
And what are the top trends from your collection?
The top trends from my collection are capes, which Karishma is right now wearing, which is very suitable for summer because it's a little airy and flowy, and you can layer it very well with capes. And there are a lot of crop tops, palazzo pants. Prints are like really big this season, and if you see the Russian prints are very different. There's a lot of mix of lot of things, and I've used a lot of playful prints with the babushka dolls with very Indian elements. So it's basically a fusion of the Indian and the Russian culture coming together.
Okay. Style or comfort? What do you prefer?
Well, definitely comfort. If you're comfortable, then you will look stylish.
Yeah.
Any more questions here?
Karishma, out of all the actors and actresses so far in Bollywood, there have been many sort of game changers in terms of fashion and style in all the eras that we've seen so far. Who do you think in Bollywood was a fashion game changer in the movies?
Well, I think each era there's been, someone or the other, from down to the greats, right from like you would say Sadhna ji with, her fringe haircut, or for that matter, even my mum who used to wear those really tight, salwar kameezes. So I think each era has had legendary style statements. So I can't really pick one from the other.
But anyone from the 70s that you can probably remember? That particular
Well, I definitely say probably Zeenat ji with her long straight hair and the whole hippie vibe.
Absolutely.
It was much ahead of its time and really very stylish.
Very stylish.
And I think that trend is back, the 70s
Exactly.
look.
That
Yeah.
high-waisted pants
Yes.
and that is totally back.
Do you give style tips to your sister, or it's the other way around?
Well, I think it's a good give and take. If I don't like something, I'll tell her. If she doesn't, she'll tell me. Or we share clothes, things. We go shopping together. So it's always fun to have a sister.
But I think Kareena is the biggest Karishma fan for her style and for her taste in clothes.
I think I genuinely love fashion. I think it's films, fashion, and food.
I would like to mention, like, I really, because I had Karishma in mind right from the beginning, I thought I really have to up the quotient of my design sensibility and everything to actually match something that I
thank
could
you.
make for Karishma. So I think
Thank
it's
you.
been the biggest learning journey for me.
No,
So thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
I'm
much.
so glad.
Thank you. It was really a pleasure to work for you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
We took again wanted to